Some students were asking about how to use this table. Here, let me help you out with this. So suppose you want to change this number, 3.2 square centimeters, into square micrometers. All right? Let me show you how to use this table for that. So I'm going to write 3.2 square centimeters, and now I'm going to change centimeters to meters using this table. So the way you do this is you put a 1 next to the unit with 2 letters, cm. 1 goes on the 2-letter thing. And then we're changing this to meters, so the unit with 1 letter gets the number. So here's centi, it's 0.01, or 1 times 10 to the minus 2. So 1 times 10 to the minus 2, that is the number. The number goes on the thing with 1 letter. 1 goes on the thing with 2 letters, all right? But this is centimeters squared, so that means this needs to be squared, this needs to be squared, this needs to be squared, and this whole thing needs to be squared. Now I've gotten rid of centimeters squared. Now I must get rid of meters squared. So meters squared down here. Now how many meters are there in a micrometer? So remember, the 1 goes on the thing with 2 letters. The number, micro, here it is. The number, this number, goes on the thing with 1 letter. So 1 times 10 to the negative 6. Now this has to be squared. This is squared. This is squared. This is all squared because this guy is squared. All right? Now meters squared cancel out. I have only micrometers squared left. So on the calculator, you go 3.2 times, now this over here is on top, so 1 times 10 to the negative 2, so 1 exponent negative 2, so in my case it's 2 negative, but then it's got to be squared, all right? Divided by 1 is meaningless. I mean, it's just identity, so that's okay. Times 1, identity, that's okay. Divided by, this is on the bottom, so it's divide. Divided by 1 negative 6 squared. So this is divided by 1 exponent 6 negative squared. Okay? And then the equal sign. So this is 320 million. I can put this in scientific notation. I don't know how to make my calculator do scientific notation for me, but there is a way to get your calculator to do scientific notation. If you figure it out, that gives you an advantage on the quiz because you don't have to do it yourself. But I'm going to do this by myself. So I'm going to say 3.2 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3.2 times 10 to the 8th. So my answer here is 3.2 times 10 to the 8th micrometers squared. That's how you use this table.